In Barina Yauco, a town in the southwest corner of Puerto Rico, the Pacheco family sits in front of a massive makeshift home. ¿Cuántas personas viven en estas dos casas?
12.
A 6.4 earthquake shook the island of Puerto Rico on January 7th. The government reported 800 homes damaged and 8,000 people displaced from their homes. The Pacheco family lost 2 homes that day. Nayelis Pacheco is one of the 12 people that live in those 2 homes. When the big quake hit in the middle of the night, she was with her grandmother, cousin, and nephew.
¿Estás comiendo papá?
One of those cousins is a 7-year-old with autism.
Y pues mi abuela no pudo coger con los dos, tuve que coger al grande, porque no camina ni nada, ni habla, y mi abuela cogió el pequeño y tuvo que salir corriendo para afuera y ese momento la casa fue desastillar.
Families who lost their homes pitched tents on front yards or in parking lots. But the Pacheco's makeshift home is incredibly unique, built out of blue tarps and donated wood.
Esta es el área de la sala. Aquí donde ponen el televisor, se sientan en los sillones, se detengan un ratito.
This part is the living room. They can watch TV from here. They can hang out. And they said the only problem is that it's really hot. Mike, the patriarch of the Pacheco family, built this makeshift home.
Este es un cuarto.
It has 3 bedrooms. He said that the kids sleep in here, but he sleeps out in his car. Their mom sleeps out in their car. A fully functioning kitchen. A shower. This is incredible. And a lounge area, complete with a hammock and place for their dogs. Hola, perrito.
Si nos íbamos por un refugio grande, se lo iban a robar. Por eso, verlos a ellos cómo se estaban sintiendo, yo decidí hacer esto. Y estamos en nuestra área.
What has it been like?
Oh, it's like real hell.
Hell?
This stuff doesn't stop anyway.
Have you slept?
Sometimes, but when it starts throbbing, my sleep goes away.
This is Mike?
Right.
The Pachecos would like to get back in their homes, but it's not safe.
Physically speaking, this should not be existing. I mean,
It should have collapsed.
it should be collapsing like a long time ago, or maybe right now. But since he put the shoring, it's not collapsing. Good thing.
Kit Miyamoto, a structural engineer, visited the houses, assessed the damage, and made suggestions on how they could be repaired.
So having a bigger columns like that, anchored to the foundation, anchored to the beam, and you have that for like 4 different locations. That makes a huge difference. That will increase the safety factor by probably like 5.
Kit says that the relief money from FEMA should easily cover those costs, but the government aid hasn't come through yet, and the Pachecos can't afford to do it on their own. Mike used to be a welder. But in 2010, he suffered a back injury that put him on disability. Now he's on a fixed income. So putting gas into the generators every night has been a struggle financially. Mike rotates between 3 generators to keep their makeshift home livable.
Yo la prendo a las 7 de la noche y me dura hasta las 7 de la mañana.
They power the fridge, the lights, the TV, and the fans that keep the mosquitoes away at night. There have been quakes every day and night since that big 6.4 quake.
Ya a esta hora empiezan de todo para abajo a temblar cogido. Toda la noche.
While the rate of aftershocks is expected to decline, the U.S. Geological Survey reported that Puerto Rico may experience tremors on a weekly basis for the next decade. Every night, the Pachecos try to wind down. They eat dinner, watch TV, text with friends. But for them, relaxing doesn't come easy anymore.
Yo lo más que duermo al día son 1 hora si acaso. Entre ratitos me levanto a dar vueltas. a velarlos a ellos. Casi no duermo.